What a moment. Such a blessing. We have arrived at SS Store Makati. Ang saya-saya! I'm so happy to be here. Ay, ayan na naman siya. Mabait daw yan. Minsan may konting sama na ugali pero normal lang.
Ano naman to si
Cherry and Cupid. The best. See, I'll show you. Hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Wala kayo sa akin. Totoo to. Wala tang budol. Because you know why? I'm maarte. Amor. Oh, memorize mo siya. Amor. Sweetheart. Yun yung top favorite kong lip line. Si Madam Chai. Ganda. Spanish latte. Maganda din. Ubus na. Maganda talaga siya. A travel cabinet. It's mine. Buy one, take one moment for all of you guys. Oh, another must-have. Epsom salt. So, if you want to de-bloat, aside from Dior Beauty, they also have their brushes. This is my favorite brush for my concealer. This is our Derma roller. This is really good. It comes with others. You only use it once. You don't use it with product. And then it has already all the peptides and hyaluronic in it that will be diffused in your skin. This really works. It's for hair, and I use this. Look at my hair. That's all from the brush, but it really hurts, but it works. This is the one that I use. My first step to it all. This is the one with 24 karat gold. They use gold for skincare in the Egyptian days. So imagine you're having your Cleopatra moment. So this is like a toner, but it's what I use to wash my face. That's my very first step. And I'm not lying. Usually this one's out of stock, but I think they have it here. But this one is the new one. Di pa namin nilalabas. So malapit na yan siya muna dito. Guys, yayaman ako dito. So, these are all the get ready with me products. So this is the brow pen, but I use it as an eyeliner. And then this girl, balita ko, mabait daw to. Mabait daw yan eh. Oh, maliit lang. Pero petite. Charming.
Idol ko yan.
Idol yan?
Super idol. Tagal ko ng idol yan. Bata pa lang.
This is our bestseller. And I'm not lying because I really use it. This is my concealer. I'm not lying. You have to see. It's really truly the best. I use, this one is super pigmented. It'll last you 5 years. Sinabi ko na sa friendship ko, nalugi siya dito kasi masyadong matagal-tatagal siya. So this is Far Away. This is their latest. Shh! Hoy, anak. Meron na kanina. It's their latest one. This is Avon. Cute kasi I usually make it pattern like, sorry po, nakakahiya, SM. Ano mo, nakakahiya. Yung upbringing mo, diba? Tignan mo yung isa, oh. My favorite thing. Kung kulang kayo sa kilay, this is really the best, the Guinea Brow. Laura Mercier also.
Feel ko ang moment.
I have this brush, also super good for contouring. No need for effort, but nagmamadali. Pak, chak, pak, tapos. No? Ano to? Ano ba to? Hindi natin sana. Okay.
It's our service pledge for the employee.
Oh, the empleyado naman din ako na SM. As head of sales, Ken. Eto na naman siya. Girl! Diba? Lahat ng pinagdaanan mo sa past was worth it. Now you have a story. Where can your hair take you? That's how I created this one. So you brush it like that, and then you let it go. And you let it... Nababaliw ako. I know. Come on. Yeah. talaga. Mabait yan talaga. Pero may konting sama talaga na ugali minsan.
Minsan may
mabait
piti.
siya.
May toyo din minsan.
Depende sa mga taong pinipitikan. Tulad na lang dito, pinipitikan.
That's just perfect. It's so perfect.
Ganda ka dyan.
Ganda.
Piti ka dyan. Bags, baka mahirap.
Nalito na siya.
Or,
Sungka.
where mom too.
Wait.
And then it's like, she's spending so much. I love it. I can be a good salesman.
Too much.
Oh, I want! Like,
The Gats one is.
I'm overwhelmed. Wait. I love it. Isa's gonna like it. Hello, Gani is shaking. Yes.
Ang ganda.
Camille.
What?
T-shirts. Gani is shaking. Sell me this
Oh my
shirt.
gosh,
Manifest.
that's me.
I could totally wear this with just like some jeans, a leather jacket from YSL, boots, and that's hair down just like that. Where did my migraine go? It went away.
Let's go SSR.
She already.
Have to have it altered like that.
My lurker.
Ganda, oh. Oh, look at their dressing room. It's pretty. So yeah, super pretty. I like it. I'll get it. SM. So this is buttons and wrap. So you can have all your gifts wrapped here. They have everything. Imagine from pearls. The fanciest stuff. This is also SM. I would totally put this on my jeans. YSL. Kala nyo may gloves. Huy!
Oh, look at me.
Very cute.
I like it.
Okay, let's do a picture.
Max, you need it for fashion week.
Sorry na again.
Diba? Wait lang. Na-overwhelm ako. Saan ka ito? Sunglasses. Fancy. You could take this as a top, wear pearls and jeans. Ooh, Sorsogon SM. This is what I got. Girl, ang ganda talaga.
How much is it?
2.7.
Wait, come here.
It's so comfy. Persian, call me. I'm all yours. It's for her dress.
Thank you, SM.
Thank you so much. I had so much fun.